Go hide, Joe. All right, Teddy. Where's Joe? You gotta look for him. I am looking. Hey, there he is. Joe, don't let him see you. All right, Teddy. Teddy. Oh, I see him. Joe, he's gonna get you. You better go hide. Go hide, Joe. Teddy sees you. Yeah. Yeah. Teddy. Teddy, do you see him? Oh, there he is. There he is. Peekaboo.
Where's Teddy?
Ta-da!
Where's Teddy?
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Oh,
That's
yeah.
fun,
Yeah. Hey, I see him. Hey, he's gonna get you, Joe. Hey. Hey. Are you stomping your feet? Hey, Joe, will you give Teddy a high five? Joe, give him a high five. Joe, do you want to give him a fist bump? Or are you still hiding from him? Oh, I don't see Joe. Well, maybe I do. Oh, now I don't see him. Joseph. Oh, we lost him.
All right.
Joseph. Wait a second. Hey, he came around the other side.
Oh, hello, Joe.
Hey, he's in his tent, that little rascal. Hey. Hey, hello in there. Joe? Joe, can the teddy go in your tent? Yeah. Hey, Joseph. Joe. Joe, can you close your eyes? Good boy. Open them. Good job. Hey, Joe, can you close your eyes? Good job. Should Mama close her eyes?
Can you smile for the camera? Can you smile?
Doop. Doop. Doop.
Diaper? Yeah, we need to change your diaper.
Hey, Joe, can you close your eyes? All right, Joe. Good job. Way to close them. Joe, look. A, B, C, D.
F.
Good, Joe. Can you say D?
G.
Good. Can you say E?
F.
Yeah, F. Can you say G?
F.
Good, Joe.
Boo.
Peekaboo, boo, peekaboo.